Hi everybody, and happy Tuesday. I'm back for our second story. This book is Hurry Up. It's written by Kate Dopirak and it's published by Simon & Schuster, and we want to thank them for allowing us to read this book to you today. Hurry up! Hurry down. Hurry round and round and round. Hurry here, hurry there, hurry, scurry everywhere. Hurry out, hurry in, hurry if you want to win. This is one busy girl, isn't it? Hurry so you'll reach the top. Hurry! 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 Stop. Slow things down. What's she doing now? She's just laying with flowers, isn't she? And looking at butterflies with her dog. Take a break. Look. And now she's playing with her dog. She's playing fetch. Look around, for goodness sake. Breathe it in. Blow it out. This is what it's all about. We take a deep breath in and out. That always makes you feel better. Make a wish. Take a walk. Listen to the forest talk. It is so much fun to go for a walk with your dog. I love to go for a walk with Charlie. He loves his walks. Go explore and make new friends. Find out where the rainbow ends. Count the stars. Easy does it. Doesn't that look like fun? She's just sitting there counting stars with her puppy. Marvel at the nighttime buzz. And now they're looking for fireflies. Mosey home, stretch and yawn, race is off, and rest is on. No more fast, slow instead. Dreams and lazy days ahead. And there she is asleep with her dog. I'd love to know what you think about this story, so let me know on our Instagram page. And also, let us know what you do to slow down and what kind of things you enjoy doing when you're not so busy. I will be back on Thursday for another story. So until then, have a good week and I'll see you soon.